This video provides detailed instructions on building an Excel analysis agent. It is designated to analyze an uploaded Excel file. Send the results to users via email. The type of agent is workflow. Please create a blank template and set up the type as workflow. Then follow our instructions to build the agent. The first configuration is Start Block. Click it and set up the table input field. Then set up the field type as single file. It means the user can upload one document once time. Set up the support file types and upload file types. Check Document as the support file, allowing user to import a document for analyze. Then configure the uploading method based on the requirements. Set the variable as required as the file is the basic to further analyze. Finally, save these configurations by clicking Save button. Next step is configuring if-else block. This is a condition branches node. Here we set up the condition as whether is the user first ask. The branches are yes and no. Configure if branch firstly. Set the value as empty, meaning yes. Add doc extractor block and set up the parameters. This node is to convert data format from table to TXT. In this agent, set up the input variable as table. It will convert the order data in the Excel to TXT form our output for further analysis. Next, add variable assigner to save the parsed text to avoid repeated parsing of Excel in subsequent conversations. Click the block to detailed configuration. Click function icon to select text feature. Select table_content string as assigned variable. The settings for variable assigner have been completed. Next, we will configure LLM block. Please noted that it used for both if and else batches. Please complete the connections as shown. For LLM, we should write prompts to become analysis assistant and organize data into an email format. The following steps are for the reference. Choose the language model. It is recommended to use GPT-4o or GPT-01. Select table_content string as context. Enter the prompt, which defines the agent's role, feature, skills, workflow, and more. Now, add SENDEMAIL node and complete configurations. Set up the user's email address for receiving the analysis report email. Set up the subject for the email. Choose LLM text as email content, which is generated by LLM based on the prompts. Configure the final answer block. Choose the LLM text as the output answer. If you want to verify whether the agent run normally, please click Preview, then upload a file to test. If anything doesn't meet your requirements, please modify corresponding blocker parameters. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to build an Excel analysis agent.